Nice job. Lift up and back, down dog. Head is super heavy. Let it all go. On your next inhale, here we go. Adding on a little more. Take that right leg, step your right leg forward. Press down into those feet. Lengthen out. And see each time we go through back heel spins down, reverse your warrior. What's different? What's changing? It's opening up. As I fall backwards, that's totally fine. Reach through those fingertips, lengthen out. Low twisted lunge. And you continue to open up that mid-back area. Back heel spins down, lift up and back, reverse your warrior. Pull yourself, come back up, half moon. Lengthening, use the breath. Now here, we're gonna slowly step it back, straighten out through that